Hello, our lesson today is about the United States of America, the USA. The USA are the third largest country in the world after Russia and Canada. They include 50 states. The largest is Alaska and the smallest is Rhode Island. The population is over 330 million, thus being the third largest after China and India. Washington is the capital city of the US, and it is on the eastern coast. The US is a federal constitutional republic. The President of the United States is the head of state and the head of government. Now see the difference with Italy and the UK. And remember that Donald Trump has recently lost the elections, and so the new president will be Joe Biden. The historical background. So this is something about the history of the USA. The first people to inhabit the USA probably came from Asia, and they were called Native American Indians. When Christopher Columbus discovered America in 1492, the first Europeans started to arrive and to colonize the new land. But the new settlers brought with them a lot of diseases like smallpox and influenza, which killed thousands of natives because they had no immunity to these unknown plagues. During the 16th century, the Spaniards colonized Florida and California, and the English concentrated on the eastern coast, while the French on Canada. The English established the Plymouth colony in 1620, thanks to a group of Puritan dissenters called the Pilgrim Fathers, and they named the region New England. The city we know today as New York was colonized by the Dutch as New Amsterdam in 1624, and then changed its name in 1664 when it came under English control. From the 18th century, there were massive emigrations from Europe to the US, and the new cities like Boston and Philadelphia became very important. On the right, you can see a picture of the Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty holds a torch in her right hand and a tablet in her left arm. The date of the Declaration of Independence is inscribed on the tablet in Roman numerals, July the 4th, 1776. The foundation of the USA. So by the 1760s, there were 13 British colonies along the Atlantic coast with a population of 2.5 million people. Tensions between these colonists and Britain, the mother country, increased as they were not represented in Parliament, so they had no voice in political decisions that affected them. However, they had to pay heavy taxes to the British government on various goods, such as newspapers and tea. The main demand of the colonists was no taxation without representation. The American Revolutionary War began in 1775. With the help of France, the colonies defeated the British, and they became independent from Great Britain. The Declaration of Independence was published in Philadelphia on the 4th of July, 1776. In 1781, the formal name of the United States of America was adopted, and in 1789, George Washington was elected as the first president of the country. In the picture on your right, you can see Thomas Jefferson. He is considered the main author of the Declaration of Independence. Thanks for listening.